Hi guys, this is JCYZ Gaming back with another video, and this is the second part of me trying to defeat this stupid. This is the second part of me trying to defeat this stupid stage, the Volkanos Volcano or something like that.
Volkanos Volcano.
Just go Maximum the Fighter, kill this ugly thing. Oh shit! Another one, and an otter. I hate otters. Otters are evil. They are evil.
Evil.
Evil. I'm gonna save up to get out of Bahamut to wreck these guys. And here comes a douche or a duck or whatever it's called. I like to call it a douche because it is a douche. Bag. Jinx, sort of. Not.
No.
No. Yeah, you're right. No. And the birds attack. The owl bros and the douches.
Because I'm losing connection here.
Meow wow wow.
Not in a gay way.
It was totally in a gay way. That's why he left. Because he knew he sounded gay. And so did Benjamin. Benjamin also left. And now I'm all alone. By myself. I'm forever alone now. Okay, they're still there. Don't worry. That's if you even worry in the first place about them. Those idiots. Meow, 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 meow. Burn!
What?
I said burn! You guys have terrible hearing! And you guys sound like girls. Especially you, Benjamin. You can sound like a girl. No, stop it. It's not good for your health. Sounding like a girl will not help you ace your exams. It won't help you. It will only harm you a crap ton. Just kill the stupid reindeers. I hate these things so much. No! Don't talk about Mobile Legends. Please, I hate that game. I don't even know what it's about. What? It's about what? Anyways, they left the room. If you couldn't tell. That's why I was screaming at them. Just die, Randy. You're worthless. Worthless. You're worthless. Then there's chicken sandwich that I ate for my lunch. You're worth less than that. I'm serious. And here come the attack of the reindeers. Attack of the reindeers. Lol, the reindeers can't even get a hit in. Because of my amazing Ubers. Okay, the owl bros attack. But that's no big deal. Because I can easily wreck them. And sorry for the abrupt ending there. I pressed the wrong button. ... I'm an idiot. I know that. Just kill the stage faster. What's taking you so long? What's taking you people so long? I mean cats so long. Bahamut, don't finish it off. Never mind, Bahamut finishes it off. Well, Bahamut, the first one. Ooh, Bricks one and the feather. Stop laughing! You know what? I can hear you, right? I'm going to go upgrade. Rare cats. Let's see if I have anything somewhat cheap to upgrade. Well, at least I can upgrade it a little bit. I'm gonna focus on upgrading the reindeer fish cat because I actually like it. I like the reindeer fish cat. It's quite good against monies. Against getting monies. And I'll just be doing this as the XP farming 2-part episode. So yeah. If you're okay with that, then yeah. Rich and poor. Look at the amount of health that base has. It's a beautiful number. 999,999. Beautiful, beautiful number. I'm gonna kill this guy so easy. Just gonna stall. Or not. Now, they'll kill the seal. The seal of approval. Because they're strong against it. That means they do 2 times the amount of damage. If they are massive damage, that means they do 3 times the amount of damage. Yeah. Actually, you all should know that. Yeah. Also, Maximum the Fight is pretty spammable, so he is useful. I'm gonna save up all my money. Send out Bahamut first. Because he's the weakest. He does the most damage. He's like a glass cannon. He does a crap ton of damage, but he's bad at almost everything else. And the red boars. And the boars be coming. And here come the boar. I didn't actually know this was inside. I just saw it and I'm like, oh, here comes the boar. Okay, just I think it's gonna wreck through my entire army. What do you think? It should, shouldn't it? Considering that I'm a bad player at this game. And Bahamut will die very soon. Oh, Bahamut managed to knock the boar back. And another one. The game is like a meme. Just sending out enemy troop after enemy troop. Like the meme. Another one. 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 Oh, one of them died. That's actually good. Well, of course a boar dying will be good. Boars are typically evil. Yeah, let's kill this thing as quickly as possible. I want to do as many stages as I can on camera. So this might become a 3-part stage. This might become a 3-part. It might become a 3-parter. Don't know yet. Don't really care yet either. And it's it. Bahamut, you wasteful little bastard. Always wasting your attacks on air. Or nothing. Bahamut hits nothing most of the time. Sadly. Sad life Bahamut. That's why you gotta have a crap ton of them. What's with me? My friends. My friends are with me. And so is my game. My game is not working. My game's being laggy. As usual. Sorry for the laggy gameplay, but my phone can't handle the power of this Battle Cat's graphics. I know my phone is weak. I should probably go change it. But you know what? This phone gave me a lot of good memories. So I'm gonna keep it. Nostalgia. For nostalgia's sake. Do it for the nostalgia. Do it for the nostalgia. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna send out my army like this. Wait for them to kill everything. Basically. Just kill everything. Kill everything. Excuse me, can you please kill the stage faster? Taking a really long time.
Hi guys, this is Lassie and welcome back to our channel.
And Ryan has just started recording videos again. Or I think he is, but from how Benjamin is laughing, he is actually not. He's joking. I bet that he's joking. Special cats, rare cats.
Hi guys, I am Gaming and I am playing Fresh Ebook, which is included by my friend named Ryan, which is known as Gaming,
And that's one upgrade for the reindeer fish cat. I think I might be able to just about squeeze another stage into the video. I could try Volcanic Defender. I don't think this is last stage. So yeah. Oh, you send out this guy immediately? Well, take this. Take this straight to the face, okay? Holy crap. Well, considering it's just a face, just die. Die. Die, 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 die. Get knocked back and die. Oh shit, what's the boss? Bun Bun, my old pal. Hey, howdy, how you doing? I hope you're doing absolutely terrible. Fuck you, Bun Bun. You kill everything. Fucking Bun Bun. I hate Bun Bun so much. How much health does he? 98%. Yay! I guess I should just end the video. But let me go check if there's something. Ooh, Battle Cat's design thing. Ooh, revival of Bahamut Cat. Blah 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 blah. And I'm going to do a zombie stage. Because you know what day is it? You know what night is it? It's Thriller Night, baby. If there are any babies watching, I hope you've enjoyed. Don't worry, I'm not doing my outro yet. Don't worry. Hey, that's one of my classmates' homes. China. One of my classmates' homes. Home country. Yeah, he's not my friend. He's the one that makes my videos super long and super irritatingly stupid. Just makes them stupid. Very, very stupid. Stupidest videos ever. Just kill them. The base only has 45,000 health. You should be able to easily kill it. With ease. You should be able to kill the stage. Right? Right? Before time runs out. Okay. Attack the stage. Come on. Kill it faster. Faster. Yeah. Zombie stage kill. 10 extra cat food. Yay. So I guess this has been JCYZ Gaming and I hope you enjoy. Bye.